Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Have you been following the adventures, the A25 adventures? So from the last video where I stopped at Redhill station, we're now going to go from Redhill station to Reigate station, which means driving through two towns and still on the A25. So yeah, continuing with the adventure. And because it's a bit hectic on the streets, the two towns could have quite a lot of traffic. So let's just follow our noses. I kind of know where I want to go. Just got to follow the signs, right? A25 to Reigate says the sign. So straight over the roundabout. I can stay in the left lane and only need to indicate off. Keeping my eyes peeled for stray pedestrians who often like to just step out into the road. Let's do a bit of a bypassing of traffic here. Tells me I've got to go all the way round for Reigate. So get in the right hand lane here. A25 West, it says on the road. And a little drive through Redhill. Quite busy, it's midday. You can hear the bells. It was the bells. Two-way traffic here. To indicate off a roundabout, but the road was just a straight on. I think this is only less than 10 minutes from Redhill to Reigate. Prior to the roundabout, road ahead closed, diverted traffic. So what road is closed? I'm confused. I want to go this way anyway, so let's follow the diversion, shall we? Pedestrian in the road, not in the road, waiting to cross. I think we've got some temporary traffic lights up ahead here. Don't block the junction. Oh, look at that car, he's blocked the junction. I'm going to give him room to reverse if someone wants to turn in. The VW having some real problems. Folks, don't block junctions. Three-way control, that makes it even longer. Thankfully I can edit it out, but It's a bit painful when you're trying to get from A to B. And the lights cause a lot of congestione. The benefit there, if you're close to the lights when it's your turn to go, the road is clear ahead. Lovely. Let's have some more of that. Go into the Reigate town, take a right hand turn, got some blue lights. That BMW is not pulling over for the police. Oh, I despair, really do. You see blue lights, you pull over. You stop straight away. You don't think, oh, I can go another 50 yards before it will need to pass me. Yeah, what was I saying? I'll go round the town centre, around the one-way system to the station, because we're now entering Reigate. Welcome to Reigate Town Centre, says the sign. 20-mile-an-hour zone. It's a quaint little town centre. Looks a bit like Dorking, actually. Do you remember my Dorking video? Link up here. It's a one-way system. I'm going to go round to the right in the end, so I'll filter into this lane. People having coffee under the arches. Lane for London and Redhill, but that's the way I've got to go to get to the station, so we shall follow the route round. More stopping. Get into my lane so that I can get to the station. I wonder if I'll get one more video into this, maybe Reigate to Dorking, because that's kind of where I'm going. Zebra crossing with no one waiting. Two-way traffic now. Reigate station. I have no idea how I get in there. I want to go in there to stop. Do a right hand turn, there's a car coming out. Old signal box. Oh, it's a no entry. I wasn't paying attention. That's bad of me. Let's go in here instead. I saw a car coming out, so I assumed it was alright to go in. Ah, see, even I fail. I'm not, you know, I feel bashful and ashamed and embarrassed trying to drive into a no entry. Don't do that. Lesson learned. Right, I'm going to check my route planning and see how far it is from Reigate to Dorking. Might get another video in. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bearing with, tuning into my A25 adventures for what they are. See you in another video. Drive with care.